If you're wondering how to clean your portable ice plunge, this is what works well for us. After about 2 weeks of use, you'll tend to notice like a slight film on the bottom and on the sides, and that's the time when it's time to get cleaned. So most cold plunges will have a release valve on the bottom or on the side, and you can see on ours it has one on both the bottom and the side. We've emptied it already, and now I'm going to just pour some white vinegar inside of it, kind of all around. And then I just use a rag or whatever you have handy in your garage, and you just soak up that vinegar and start scrubbing the sides till you don't feel any more of that slime growing in there. It's kind of like a fish tank almost. Just get in there, and I do my sides first. That way I know I'm getting everything. Kind of soak up a little more of that vinegar as you go through. I like to also get around these plugs because they tend to get a little bit more of that around them. Okay, now that I've made my way around, I do a nice little ring around the edges, really get in there. Then for the bottom, just kind of try to go side to side so I don't miss any areas. And then I go and do it the opposite direction in case I missed anything. And then I let it sit for roughly about 5 minutes, really let that vinegar kill all the bacteria that's been growing. Okay, now that it's sat for 5 minutes, I just do a quick check and make sure I got all that film off. And I grab my hose, and you just need to spray it out and then dump the water. Something that's really important though when you're dumping your water out is that you do not want to dump it onto your grass. It will kill your grass. We have a gravel area, or you can do it on pavement, but definitely not your grass if you don't want to kill your yard. Once you've rinsed it out, then all you have to do is plug your plugs back in and fill it up, and you're ready for your clean ice bath.